Yeah, I think you want to know though. And I have a title, order and order details. I have order and order details. I want to see by month and year what is the total sales. A lot of people will use our BI. You connect to the database. You can tag the order detail, order detail, and you remove it. Okay. It's a bit low. Um, check this is working. It's a bit slow. Okay, it is working. So it should working as well. Okay. So you want to see the order ID of it, and you want to see customer ID. I want to see the total sales. I want to have date time, your date. I just want to have year and month, and I want to also have a new measurement and cross this guy and again across this guy. Yeah. I try to make the phone bigger. Right, so when someone repeats my one, yeah, I'm not really, so I try to make this guy bigger. Okay, so I try to make the phone the size. Yeah, let me spread it over. Okay, now I need to have a new measurement, creating new measurement. I will have some of lines multiplied by some of what quantity. So, okay, right, we tick should be okay. Good. I will make sure that. Mm, okay. From here, and we can actually see, let me just move this guy down a bit. Yeah. Okay. You can see I don't want the customer, I don't want the, yeah. Yeah. I don't want all the ID as well. I don't want all the ID. So you can see my 1996 August is nine 1 million, right? 1.9 million, right? 1996. Okay, so that is the figure, right? Okay, so this is how you see the uh, by year, by month, right? The total amount. So you can see July is actually 177, right? So if I use something called a SQL statement, I have actually created one here. You only need one statement and you just run it. So you see the same amount here, all right? The same amount everywhere. Yeah, that's how you can do. So if you just want to see a total sometimes, you don't need to spend so much step to get each figure. You can actually use one SQL statement. You can get the same figure.